Did you know there are completely legal ways to pay zero income tax? Imagine keeping more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me, because in this video, I'm revealing 7 powerful strategies to slash your income tax bill to zero. Hi, everyone. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to explore one of the most important topics when it comes to your finances: how to legally reduce your income tax to zero. Whether you're a salaried professional, a business owner, or someone with multiple income streams, these tips will empower you to save big. Let's dive right in. 1. Maximize standard deductions. Did you know that just by claiming the standard deduction, you can significantly lower your taxable income? For example, in the US, the 2024 standard deduction for single filers is $13,850, and for married couples filing jointly, it's $27,700. That's money you don't have to pay taxes on. 2. Take advantage of tax-free investments. Ever heard of tax-free bonds or municipal bonds? These are investments where the interest earned is completely tax-free. Another great option: retirement accounts like Roth IRA, ACE, or 401ks. Contributing to these not only helps you save for the future, but also reduces your taxable income today. 3. Utilize tax credits. Tax credits are a goldmine. Unlike deductions, which lower your taxable income, credits directly reduce the tax you owe. Examples include the Earned Income Tax Credit (EITC), the Child Tax Credit, and education-related credits like the American Opportunity Tax Credit. 4. Start a small business or side hustle. Owning a small business or a side hustle opens doors to a world of tax deductions. You can write off expenses like a home office, internet bills, business travel, and even part of your car expenses. Plus, you get to control how and when you report income. 5. Donate to charities. Making charitable donations isn't just good for the community, it's also great for your tax bill. By donating cash or even non-cash items like clothes or furniture, you can claim deductions. Just make sure to keep receipts or documentation. 6. Use tax loss harvesting. Are you an investor? This strategy is for you. By selling investments at a loss, you can offset capital gains and reduce your taxable income. It's a smart way to make a less than perfect investment work in your favor. 7. Relocate to a tax-friendly state or country. Did you know some places don't tax personal income at all? States like Florida, Texas, or Tennessee in the US have no state income tax. On a global scale, countries like the UAE, Monaco, and Bermuda offer zero income tax policies. And there you have it: 7 actionable ways to reduce your income tax to zero. The best part: every strategy I shared is completely legal and backed by tax laws. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below if you have questions or want more videos like this.